To demonstrate how easy it is to get started with stix, I'll be building a to-do application in under a minute. First thing I'll have to do is install stix CLI globally. Next up, I'll create a new application called to-do. I'll go into my newly created to-do directory, and using one of the generators, I'll set up everything needed to get started. For now, it's not important what all of this means, but it's the module, the name of the resource, and 2 fields. And that's it, just start the server. One of the core modules installed by stix CLI is stix Swagger, which we'll be using to test our API. Let's first request our tasks. Got a 200 and an empty response body. Makes sense, we didn't create any to-dos yet. So let's create our first to-do. And just to show how excited we are, we're going to add an exclamation mark. There we have it, our first to-do. Let's add a second to-do. Now let's stop there and not overdo it. Let's fetch our tasks again. As expected, 2 to-dos. Let's try fetching a single to-do. Try it out. 1 to-do. Cool. Let's mark our first to-do as done. Done is now 1. Let's remove our second to-do. As you can see, it returns the deleted to-do. So let's fetch all of them to make sure it's gone. And only 1 to-do gets returned.